Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Tilray Inc. The stock trades on the Nasdaq on symbol TLRY. The stock was up a little over 1% up to 25.90. In the pre-market right now, it's up over $27. So that's another move up of about 4.33%. If you look at Tilray over the past 5 days, has been kind of flat. However, the stock did recently announce a merger with Alfria. So Tilray is going to become probably one of the biggest cannabis producers out there. So it definitely can be, if you're into a cannabis play, one of your core holdings may be up there with Cannabis Growth Company. The thing I've talked about with cannabis is I do think that we're going to see more legalization over the next 12 to 24 months and more of a normalization of cannabis use across the United States, which is going to be a really great lift for this stock. Now, where do I think the stock's going to be at the end of the year? Kind of hard to say. It really depends on what the legalization moves are in the United States. I don't think we're going to get legalization or like the full decriminalization go through the House and the Senate, just because the Democrats, they're tied with the Republicans and they have a tiebreaker. So, if they pass the law before the 2022 midterm elections, it could be used as red meat to lose some seats in the Senate. So they're probably not going to pass it. However, I do see more and more states decriminalize marijuana, or allow the recreational use of marijuana, just because they can get more tax revenue. Because I know a lot of states are going to be hurting for tax revenue after the pandemic, just to try to get more money in their coffers. So I definitely think Tilray should be one of your core cannabis holdings, along probably, like I said, with Cannabis Growth, and then maybe you add some others on the side. I would have like a basket or 5 or 6. I'm still trying to build up my cannabis portfolio right now. I'm trying to decide what my secondary holdings will be, but I definitely will be adding some more Tilray as a core holding, because I do think they have a potential to move higher. Personally, my projection is, if the markets do well, and I think the small caps will continue to do well towards the end of the year, I can see Tilray making a move up to $40 a share by the end of this year. So that's where I stand on Tilray. Let me know what you think in the comments. I actually think it's going to do pretty well. So once again, Tilray trades on the Nasdaq on symbol TLRY. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.